What an interesting night in the skies over the valley. Numerous reports of that loud explosion in the sky, a fireball, if you will, lighting things up. We had the video of that a little earlier in the show if you missed it. The quadrantid meteor shower peaks tonight. Not very many meteors, but usually bright ones. It's 3 below on a very chilly January night here in the Fargo-Moorhead area, 6 below in Moorhead, with wind chills down around 15 below. That cold air diving all the way south. Frisco right now, Mike Morkin and the gang down there. Whoo, 32 degrees for them. And very cold weather off the east coast as a storm system is really intensifying and bringing some snow now that will be heading its way up towards New York and Boston as we go through the next 24 to 48 hours, creating havoc for those areas. For us, clouds and showers of snow, mainly in the eastern third of North Dakota. Reports of that bright meteor coming in from the Warroad area, also Goodrich, Minnesota, Bemidji, also some folks seeing it north of Fargo-Moorhead and not far from Crookston in Polk County. So the skies are clearer there and a chance at seeing even more of that type of activity during the overnight hours tonight, particularly just before daybreak. All right, taking a look at temperatures now, single digits below zero for many in the Red River. Look off to the east, Baudette, a chipper 20 below at this hour. Babe the Blue Ox says, hey, it isn't too warm here. Teens below for you with wind chills around 20 below, thanks to the fact we have very light winds at this hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows that the chance of flaky weather and cloudy weather will be persistent all night as we look off to the west. But to the east, colder weather, and we'll also have a little bit of wind causing some dangerous wind chills between 20 and 30 below for some of you. As we go through our morning hours tomorrow, we'll see sunshine east, clouds west, maybe a renegade flurry or two. Not much in the way of wind, kind of light and variable throughout the day, with temperatures peaking near zero from the Red River and points west. Above zero. And when we look out to the east, we're staying frigid below zero for the entirety of our day. Your planner then at the bus stop, 15 to 20 below for many from the Red River and points east, warming up to around 1 above for Fargo-Moorhead. We'll have a fair amount of cloudiness here and points west, and that'll help us warm up a bit. But not the case for Roseau. 6 below tomorrow afternoon on your way home from school. In Bemidji, 4 below zero. All right, also something we see quite frequently this time of the year because of our very frigid atmosphere, ice crystals suspended in the upper layers are hexagonal, and they bend and reflect the sun's light, so we get these kind of copy suns on each side sometimes. Those are sundogs, light pillars, and you get the halos also, those rings around the sun. So beautiful shots from around the region. On Friday, another chilly morning down below zero, but we warm up to the single digits for your afternoon. The weekend will get warmer by Sunday, above average as a matter of fact, but we'll have a chance of a few flakes of snow, and our friends in Frisco can bask in 50 degrees down south, cheering on the Bison. Next week, it looks like a decent chance of snow by midweek.
All right.